Mama ODM is scammer, thief, and extortionist. She is a double-handed claim and is related to the well-known Abdi Kawi family members who are double-handed claim. Mama ODM is a sore loser, haters, and extort Somali girls in East Line. She has tried to extort Somalis via public Facebook video with Uba Ibrahim, who conducted Facebook Live by claiming she has skin cancer. This woman is an extortionist and liars. This old lady, pretending young, has 5 kids from 5 different fathers. So who is the garbage and dog? Mama ODM has 5 children from 5 different fathers. The first child, Awiye father. The second child, father in Tanzania. Third child, Ajuran father. Fourth kid, Lelkaze. Fifth kid, Kikuyu. The old woman, Mama ODM, is an Islam broker who is taking advantage of poor ladies arrested at Pangani police station through Ahmed Rashid. Mama ODM have been a beggar last 30 years and prostitute and currently operating as Islam broker for Pangani police station to get money from arrested Somali girls. This woman, Mama ODM, is not an Ogaden claim, pretending to be Ogaden claim for purpose of collecting extortion in the city of East Line. She comes from double-handed claim. She thinks she can continue to mislead Somalis with her lies in East Line.